Cashew. Cashew. Oh. Cashew. Oh.
Good morning.
I think bang kami matapos sa investigasyon dito.
What's that?
Tapos na rin testing procedure.
Oh.
Where'd they go?
Ano ba ang preliminary?
Daddy, touch him. Oh. Daddy, say I'm here while you're passing by me. Yes. Say thank you, Daddy. He say thank you, love.
Sure, that's what he said.
The respondents to find the rejoinder if you want to rejoin. In the meantime, we also asking, we will be asking
Love, mommy. Love, mommy. Ooh. Good morning, my boy. Good morning, my
So, hindi
boy.
nyo na makakabutan yung unang action, you think? Kasi parang
I don't think so. So the one who will resolve this problem will be the next ombudsman.
Kasi ang worry nila, sir, baka mas makakain mo bigla. July 26, bye.
Still young.
Yun ang mag-iinap.
Kayo.
Yun ang mahirap sa mga taong hindi nag-aaral. Sabi ko nga, kung pag-aaralan lang nila ang konstitusyon, the provisions of impeachment, and further study, anong deliverance?
Yeah, but
Anong pinag-usapan lang nila ng committee noon?
Sir, ano nga ba para alam namin? At alam namin.
Nagtanong si Chief Justice Domingo, who was then a member of the Constitutional Commission. Sabi niya no, pag mayroon bang ebidensya ang ombudsman, pwede bang ombudsman mag-imbestiga? Pag result ng investigation, will it affect the impeachment? Ang sagot nila Romulo, Inuyeto, parang would depend on the quantum of evidence for conviction. Tanong ulit,